grinder, a battery-operated grinder, DeWolf. To cut. I want to. Yeah, no problem. That's that. I will open that lock. $300.
So no one has a key?
How much money does it
Nobody has a key?
I'm gonna do that.
We got it.
Let me see. Hold on.
No. I'm already filming it. Oh shit. I should step back. He killed the trash can. He might do something reckless over here.
For real. Emergency service unit. You gotta watch because that blade could pop off too.
No, be careful. The gas tank leaks. I'm dead serious. I'm being serious though. I'm not lying.
Hey, you're supposed to have gloves on. It's gonna get hot. Yeah. He got it on video. He showed it to the keys and everything. And he did it. And they stopped him, you know? Yeah. Look, my cousin said it cost $8,000 for this to take place. Ain't that something? $8,000. And they could have just gave me $300.
The gas tank does leak though. That shit blow
Watch
up.
the gas tank. Oh yeah.
It's crazy. We got that. That grinder.
That blade ain't no good, man. You better watch it.
We got that shit.
It's starting to shred. $15 guys. One uses a saw, 14 watch.
OT, man, they need that shit. They was supposed to be inside 3 o'clock, bro. Shift
look.
change.
All right. Look, Miami, Florida, Orlando,
Get it.
Massachusetts.
The guy don't get out. You gotta put him in the footage though. The cop that did it.
Yeah, these are the ones that pulled him over.
Hey.
Those are the 2 officers that pulled over the dude right there. And they arrested him because they said
So he must not be coming home then. Because if you're going to release him in an hour, all of this time, well, that don't make sense to me.
Geniuses.
They're not going to release him in an hour.
There's no way.
Nah.
They're going to try to keep him at least 24 hours.